Check your vehicle's owner's manual and find out when your recommended car maintenance services should be scheduled. Usually, basic car maintenance involves checking or replacing parts like spark plugs, wires, fluids, and serpentine belts. Scheduling maintenance services through your dealer may be best. There are at least 3 good reasons for this. The first reason: genuine parts and expert customer care. Your Toyota dealer will have the knowledge and parts to keep your car running well. Dealers often put a sticker on your vehicle that includes a reminder of the date of your next maintenance service. Yet, some locations will take it a step further with reminder emails about your appointment. That way, you can schedule a time that works for you and better remember the date and time of your appointment. The second reason has to do with history. Going to the same Toyota dealer for maintenance means you'll have a complete service history for the vehicle. Potential buyers may consider this an added bonus when considering your vehicle for purchase. The third has to do with price. A well-maintained car with up-to-date records attracts a better resale price. If you do decide to sell, you could get a much better payout.